Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from bmascraftycorner, and I decided to share a Scaventure with you guys. It's been a while since we've done one, So, so let's see what we got. Well, we got this retrospect album, 6x6 ring album from We Are Memory Keepers. It's in really good shape. Not too shabby. We got that. I found, let's see if I can get these to come off. I hate when they do this, they put the little price sticker thing over the spine, and then, it can tear up the spine. This is an otherwise perfect book. There, that one came off. Okay, that one wasn't bad. But, I'll get this one off later and get that off of there. And, this is one of the first little golden books, that's what they call them. The first little golden book. Which just means that it's one of the little tiny ones for baby, and I got Frozen, The Princess and the Pea, and this one, which I remember when I was a kid. Yeah, there we go. The Little Red Hen. So that was kind of cool. I found some t-shirts for my grandsons. No. All right, let's look at this bag over here. Because before we left, I said, right after my live this morning, I said, I'm kind of in the mood. I'm gonna go to the thrift store. And Amy says, "Is your thrifty sense tingling?" Yes, it was. So I found this. And it's, an accordion folder, but it's not very big. It's only like 7.5 inches wide. And so I thought, this might be cool. If I take this out, which this has never been used, but I thought maybe if I took this part out of it, this accordion part, I could use the front piece and the back piece and this long piece, that goes over, and maybe work on making a journal or something out of that. So I grabbed that. I thought it was cool. Okay. So this must have been what my spidey sense was going on about. Because, yeah. So you guys know I like my linen paper. And typically this stuff is pretty expensive. But I found this one. And let me get the rest of these out of the bag here. I found this one. And this one. So they're all different, okay? So let me, so this one is 28-pound ivory paper. This is the Connoisseur collection. It is watermarked, and it's textured on one side and flat on the other. And I love this. It's 28 pounds. I love this one. It's tea-dyed, 100% cotton paper, gorgeous. This stuff is really expensive, so if you can get it at a thrift store, all the better. And then this one, which is, again, their letterhead, but this is not the Connoisseur collection. 100% cotton on this one, 28 pounds. Watermarked, laser ink, da-da-da-da-da-da. Not even opened. It's a brand new box. Not even opened. Like, it's not open. I don't know why they put a rubber band on it. And then there was this one. This is 32-pound paper, 100% cotton. This is probably about 2/3 of a box. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. It's an ivory color, and so when Amy tea dyes this, it's gorgeous, okay? So So these will go out to the hags, and she will tea dye them for me. I could do it myself, but she kind of likes to dye paper, so I let her do it, you know? What else? Oh, yes. I found this. This made the Amy very jealous. But normally I would give her stuff like this, but I said, no, I'm going to keep this one for myself. I'm going to pull the signatures out of it, if I can. This is a cash book. And if I can get these out, if it's, you know, it's questionable. It's already got a broken spine, but and the glue is all dried up, but I'm going to use the cover. But I noticed that the glue was all dried up, so I don't know if I can get these apart or not. But, you know, I'm willing to give it a try. So, so I grabbed that. And I got this. This has been there for a while. Bags! Right? It's that way. This has been there for a while. So I figured, you know what? I'm just going to take it home. So these are labels. Yeah, it's been there for a while. Take these out. So this is 2 sheets of these floral labels. And then a pack of the floral paper. So, you know. Ooh, look, bonus chipboard. 2 chipboards. Okay. That's a bonus right there. And then I found this. This is from Office Depot. This is like their high-end brand, I guess you'd call it. It's for their planner. Another bonus chipboard. But, you know, it has the T-bindings, and it's 4 colors. So you get the green, and the blue, and the, like, light purple, and the yellow, and the pink. So it's 5 colors. Yeah, 5 colors. And this is just straight paper, which is nice because, you know, you cut this down and I can use it in things. So this would be nice, you know, to tip in or something like that. So I grabbed that because it was only a couple of bucks. Got that. And then I saw this. It was in the bags today. Can you tell? It was in the bags. Yeah. Meandered off and got lost in the bags. So we got some Heidi Swap. These are like chipboard that you can color. Some big old pieces of die cut. This little pack of chipboard tags, and what I got it for was this. I've had a few of these packs. They don't make this one anymore, and I think they're cute. I use them on a couple of things, so I grabbed that. What the heck? And then they had a few of these, and I grabbed them. Oh, let me get this open. You know, I make these little things myself, but I thought, how stinking cute is this? I have to tell you, I love this little pen, right? Ready? You pull this up, and it pushes the ink out. Then you push the little button, and it comes back up. It's like a little well pump. Anyway, so I grabbed these, and these are from Laura Ashley. And I thought, you know, I could do like a folio and add this in. So there was a couple of them, so I just grabbed it. And they make nice giveaways, you know. So what the heck. And then I found these. They're no great shakes, but They're single signature, stapled, and they're little pads, little notepads. And I thought, and I think they're perforated. But I thought, how cute would this be? You could put this like in a journal or in a notebook. And the cover's really nice. I could use that to do some single signatures. And I got my 12 and 22 challenge. So I found a few of those. And what I went for was like, I was looking for 1-inch bindings. And I couldn't find any. Like, there were no 1-inch bindings. But what I did find, and it's not an original, but I found another #1 Nancy Drew. And this is, it's a newer one. This one is 1987. So it's a newer one. It's got the shiny cover on it. It's no great shakes, but I grabbed it. And then the other that I got are a bunch of copies of these, the Babysitters Club, because they're cute. They're let's see, how big are these things? Where's my ruler? Where's my ruler? I've lost my ruler on the desk. Let's see here. Okay, so this thing is 5 inches by just about 7 3/4, 7 5/8. So, I figured this is a good size. I can use my heat tool to take, if I need to take this stuff off without damaging anything. And then I can clean these covers up. Gut these little books because they're not very well put together, You pull these back and give it a good tug, and you pretty much gut this. And I thought these would make great little journals. I could do like a whole series with these. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And, I'll make some journals out of those. And get all the stickers and stuff off of them. And, make a little series of journals. Cute little series. Alright, so, that was it for today. Yep. That's all of it. That was what I got on my Scaventure today. I don't know, I was just in the mood to do a Scaventure and had to go, so I went and I found a bunch of good stuff. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. Before you know it, we're a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. I also go live starting January the 8th, 2022 on Saturdays for a Build a Book free class. Come on in, build a book with me. We're starting with the little golden book. We're going to move into upcycling a regular book, like one of these covers, and then we'll be building our very own cover out of chipboard and moving on to our third journal. And that is a pre-recorded class, and then I do a live that afternoon in order to answer any questions that you may have. Let's see what else. I release videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. And that's about it. So until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.